Hey, so if Leonardo AI is generating images really slowly, yeah, like it takes forever or gets stuck on processing, that can be super annoying. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix it. First, make sure your internet is fast and stable. I mean, slow internet can massively delay image generation. Next, yeah, just refresh the page and try again. I mean, sometimes the system just gets temporarily stuck. Now, Leonardo AI can slow down during peak hours. I mean, server load affects generation speed. Yeah, try switching to a different model. I mean, some models are heavier and take longer to process. Now, very complex prompts slow down generation. I mean, simpler prompts process much faster. Yeah, lower resolution or fewer image variations can speed things up a lot. Now, cache issues can slow down performance. Clearing your browser, cache can help speed things up. Yeah, extensions can interfere with scripts and slow everything down. Try turning them off temporarily. If nothing works, switch browsers or devices. I mean, this helps rule out local performance issues. So yeah, that's how you fix slow generation in Leonardo AI. Most of the time, it's server load, heavy prompts, or browser issues. Try these steps and your images should generate faster. Thanks for watching.